Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Envy from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. Now from the top, let's curve it out and back in. And then close off the bottom of each eye with another curve. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw a large oval towards the center. And then another oval inside each of these. And then a small circle inside the top right. And now let's color the center ovals in black. Next, for the eyes, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. And then curve it up on both ends. And then another curve at the top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath in the center, let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it out and down. And then a curve at the bottom to close off the shape of the mouth. Next, inside the mouth, let's draw a curve at the top for the teeth. And then 2 bumps at the bottom for the tongue. And now let's color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it down. Then let's curve both sides down and in. And then a curve across at the bottom. Next, let's hop out and let's start drawing the hair. From the top, let's draw a bumpy line out and down. And the same on the right. Now on top, let's draw a curve up and over to the right, and then bring it down. And then another curve piece out and over on the left. Now let's hop back down to the sides and let's draw a wavy line out on an angle. And then curve it back up at the ends. Now let's draw another curve down. And then a wavy line back up. Now at the bottom, let's draw 2 more curved pieces of hair. And then a small zigzag line all the way back in on both sides. Now inside, in the bottom section, let's draw another wavy line down on both sides. Next for the hair, let's move up and let's draw the hair clips. On the top left, let's draw a curve, and the same on the right. Now let's close it off with a curved V shape up and back down. And now let's draw the same shape inside. Lastly, let's add a few more pieces of hair. From the top left, let's draw a curved piece down and back in. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a wavy piece out near the top here and a curved one underneath. And then one more curved piece underneath, curving it upwards. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head in the middle and let's draw 2 small angles down. And then curve it back up on both sides. Next, let's leave a small gap and let's draw curves down and out for the sides of the dress. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's move out to the sides and add the arms. From the top, let's draw a curve going down and out. And then curve it back in for the bottom of the sleeves. And now let's add another bump at the bottom for the hands. Next, we're going to hop inside and we're going to draw the polka dot pattern on the dress. On the top in the center, let's start with a circle. And now let's continue the circle pattern across the dress like this. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. And then a curve across the bottom that's slightly longer. Now let's bring it down for the inside line. And then a shorter line down from the outside. Now let's curve it out and down for the tops of the boots. And then a curve at the bottom to close off each one. And lastly, let's add another curve inside at the bottoms. And that's it for Envy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!